Hello there, I am playing Melon Sandbox. As you can see, I have a couple mods. This Quetzalcoatlus is mine. It's because I loaded the mod off of YouTube, made by Kai. He's a really good guy. He makes loads of cool mods, but couldn't get it, so I just had to make this ripoff. It works, I guess. You can peck things to death. Yeah, it's kind of boring. But I found this Quetzalcoatlus. It can go to a flying position and a landing position. Sit up. See here. It's pretty accurate to size, actually. Kabooey! So yeah, I will be bringing back the Melon Playground series, loads of new adventures, loads of new creatures, loads of new villains, heroes, etc, etc. So stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, what sound does a Quetzalcoatlus make? Oh yeah. No one believes in those screeching sounds everyone believes in, like. Same with the loon situation with the Spino and the hippo sounding Rex. Oh, he's alive, he's alive! Eat him! Oh yeah, it's a bit late, but have you seen Rebirth yet? I have not, but you know, it's fine. I did see the original Jurassic World just a few days ago. So yeah, this video's getting a little long. It's not much. So goodbye.